Solve the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 times dy by dx plus 2y equals e raised to 2x. Notice that this differential equation is non-homogeneous type because we have the RHS capital X not equal to 0. We have in RHS a function e raised to 2x which is a function on independent variable x. When we make use of the differential operator capital D which equals d by dx, we can rewrite d square y by dx square using capital D square acting on y. We can replace the second term dy by dx using capital D acting on y. Thus, equation 1 can be rewritten as capital D square plus 3 times capital D plus 2 acting on common input y equals e raised to 2x. In order to write the auxiliary equation, we will have to replace capital D by m and equate the RHS to 0. Auxiliary equation will always have RHS equals 0. Here we have the auxiliary equation obtained as m square plus 3m plus 2 equals 0, whose roots are m1 equals minus 2 and m2 equals minus 1. Whenever we have unequal roots obtained for the auxiliary equation, complementary function will be y equals c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x. Here we have complementary function equals y equals c1 e raised to minus 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x. Recall that complementary function will be the solution of f of d acting on y equated to 0. In order to find out the particular integral here, because we have a non-homogeneous equation to be solved, we will take the RHS which is capital X equals e raised to 2x. Recall that general solution for non-homogeneous equation will be complementary function plus particular integral. Particular integral pi equals 1 by f of d acting on RHS e raised to 2x. Whenever we have the RHS capital X of the form e raised to ax, 1 by f of d acts on e raised to ax such that d will be replaced by a, where a is the coefficient of x which appears in the power part of exponential function e. That is, you will have to replace d by a which is 2 here. We have f of d equals d square plus 3d plus 2 for this equation, and when you replace d by 2, that is, you just equate d by 2. Thus we obtain 2 square plus 3 times 2 plus 2 as the denominator, which becomes 4 plus 6 plus 2. Thus we have pi equals 1 by 12 multiplied to e raised to 2x. We have obtained f of d as this function and we gave d equals 2, which is the coefficient of x in the power of exponential function. Thus we obtain pi equals e raised to 2x divided by 12, and hence the general solution for the differential equation will be complementary function plus particular integral, which is y equals c1 e raised to minus 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x plus e raised to 2x upon 12.